Hey guys, what's up? In this video we're going to reveal to you how you can apply a zoom in or zoom out effect for your presentations on PowerPoint. So let us dive right into it. Head over to presentation on PowerPoint and select the slide you would like to zoom in. So I can go with slide number 3. So guys, there are basically two different ways how you can apply a zoom in effect. In the first step, or in the first option, switch from the home tab to the view tab here at the top and select zoom here under zoom. And apply your preferred zooming effect like 100% or 50 or 200 by using that these arrows here to the right. For example, let me increase the zoom in effect to, let's say, 150%, and after that confirm by clicking on OK here. However guys, if you do it that way, this will only apply the zoom in or zoom out effect for the overview or list of slides on the left hand side. So if you'd like to zoom in or zoom out here also on your slide itself, what you want to do guys is simply click somewhere here on your slide and press and hold left control on your keyboard and use your mouse wheel to zoom in manually, just like that. And that's basically it. You may apply the same trick for your list here on the left hand side. So simply click anywhere here on the left hand side and hold left control on your keyboard and zoom in or zoom out by moving your mouse wheel. And that's how it works guys. As you can see, it is very simple. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.